Hello guys, welcome once again. So today I'm going to show you how to install IDM on your Windows laptop. So what you have to do is open your browser, preferably I prefer using Chrome, and then search for cracking and patching. So once you search for crackingandpatching.com or appears on top. So you just have to click crackingandpatching.com right there. And once you have gone there, you just click IDM crack for this one. It will be on top. Just know the latest version will be on top always. So you just click IDM crack right there, and then it shows you this page. So what you have to do right here is scroll down to where it says download torrent with magnet link of IDM crack. So once you've clicked right here, and it shows you to how to download with torrent, but you can use a direct download, but I'm not a fan of the advertisements that will be in these sites. That's why I prefer using torrents. So I'll download using torrent. As you can see, I've, for the sake of this video, let me re-download. So as you can see, I'm downloading it again, and it's downloaded right. So I'll use QBitTorrent to download my torrents, and this is it. It has completed downloading. So I'll open the torrent, and you click how to install. So when you clicked how to install right there, it shows you to how to use right there on section number 3. Disable antivirus if any, and install the program what, which will be this. So just go on to the search right there and search for Defender, Windows Defender. So I'll click right there. So what you have to do is go where it says virus and protection settings and go out to manage. So all these will be turned on. So what you have to do is turn this off. Once you turn this off, that's when you start to install this. So it will show as if what Windows recognizes as if it's a virus, but actually it's not a virus. You will notice that once you used it. It's not a virus and it's safe to use. So as you can see, I've already used it for more than 30 days. The trial period is over. So you cannot open IDM in the state. So what you have to do now is to install the patch of the IDM. What you have to do is open and write this. We say 64-bit. Since my laptop is 64-bit, the version of OS I'm using 64-bit. If you're using 32-bit, you select 32-bit, and the password for these files is 123. So you have to run this file and install it. Now that I've installed it, I'll wait for it to finish. It may take some time, a little bit time to finish installing right there. Once it finish installing, close the browser and click on finish. Close everything. right there, and then you go and search IDM right there and install. Open this. As you can see now, the IDM is completely works. And let's go ahead and download something to show the power of IDM on YouTube. Just open your YouTube and click any video or choose this one. I will not play it, but I'll click on right there where it says download this video. So sometimes it will ask you to install this IDM integration module on your browser. So what you have to do is click install for it to be installed on your browser. So for now, I'll click download this video and download in 360, and right there now you've seen the power of IDM, and it download. It provides faster speeds and can download things on Instagram, Facebook, videos right there. So I'll just go ahead to cancel, and then as you can see, all these are downloaded using IDM. So that is the power of IDM. Even movies, I'll post a video about of downloading movies using IDM. So that's just about it. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and like for future videos.